So today we are going to start the exercise 3D, which is subtractions, and 3E together. Because the difference between these two exercises are it has 4-digit number and here it is 6-digit or 5-digit number, and the method of subtraction will remain same, so we are doing together. Okay, you know how to subtract the thing. 9 minus 3. How to subtract 9 minus 3? You have to take the 9 finger in your hands and cut the 3. This is a 9 finger and cut 3. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. What is left? 6 is left. And 2 minus 1 gives you 1 only. 6 minus 2 gives you 4. Okay. And 4 minus 1 gives you 3. Okay. So I'm not making any strokes. Just see here. 3 minus 1. Okay. After 3 cut one line. So what will be left? 2 will left. Okay. 8 minus 5. So 8 minus 5 is 3. Okay. 6 minus 2 again 4. And 7 minus 3 also gives you 4. Okay. See here, 1 minus 4. We cannot subtract 4 from 1. So you have to borrow from here. But in tens place there is a 0. So we have to move to the hundreds place. There is 8. So we have to borrow 1 from first here. So I am writing here, it will become 10. Okay. And here it will be 7. And again from here to this area gives you 11. The 11 minus 4 is 7. Here will be 9 because we have already taken 1 from tens to 1's area. And 9 minus 0 will give you 9 only. 7 minus 6 gives you 1. 6 minus 2 is 4. See, 6 minus 2, no need to borrow. So here will be 4. 8 minus 6 gives you 2. 5 minus 5 means 0. And 7 minus 4 gives you 3. Okay, see the exercise 3E. This is also same. 16 minus 7 we cannot subtract because 6 is smaller than 7. So we need to borrow 1 from the tens place. So when we will borrow the 1 from tens place, it will become 16 and here it will be 4. Then we are going to subtract 16 minus 7. Okay. What will be the 16 minus 7 gives you 9. 4 minus 4 is 0. Okay. But see here. Again 4 and 5 we cannot subtract 5 from 4. So we have to borrow from here. So here it will be 14 and here it will be 2. Then when we subtract 14 from 5 from 14, it will be 9. We cannot subtract again 5 from 2. So we can take from here, but here is 0. So we will move to the last number. First we have to take from here. So here will be 5 and here is 10. Then after we have to borrow from 10. When we are borrowing this 10, it will become 9. Okay. Then 12 minus 5 means 7. Okay. 9 minus 3 gives you 6 and 5 minus 5 gives you 0. Okay. See the next number. 3 minus 2 is 1. 6 will come as usual. 9 minus 7 is 2. 5 minus 4 is 1. And 2 minus 1 is also 1. Okay. See, 8 minus 8 is 0. 8 minus 7 is 1. 5 minus 4 is 1. Here 1 and here also 3 minus 2 also 1. 6 minus 4 is 2. 9 minus 2 is 7. 3 minus 3 is 0. 4 minus 1 gives you 3 and 4 minus 3 gives you 1. See the question here. Again we got the 4 here. 4 is smaller than 5. So we have to borrow from the next number. But here is 0. So we will move to the next to the 0 is 3. So first we have to borrow the numbers. It will become 10 here and here is 2. Okay. Then from here we have to borrow 1 digit. So it will be 14 and here is 9. Then 14 minus 9 gives you 14 minus 5 gives you 9. 9 minus 4 means 5. Again here is 2. We cannot subtract 5 from 2. So we will borrow from here. from 5 to here it will be 10 and 10 to this, okay, and here will be 4. Now we will subtract 12 minus 5 means 7, 9 minus 4 means 5, and 4 minus 3 is 1, okay. See the next number. 3 minus 2 is 1, 7 minus 7 gives you 0, 0 minus 0 gives you 0 only, 3 minus 1 is 2, 6 minus 2 is 4, 8 minus 4 is 4, okay. This is the exercise 3D and 3E we have did here together, because the difference is only the number of digits in each case, okay. Now we are continuing with the 3D only. The question number 2, copy and simply, and you have to subtract. It is written like that. I have written in this column way, so you have to do by your own, that I will send you, okay. See the word problem. Now we will consider the word problem of 3D. A machine that drills for oil has drilled a 1732 meter. How much further must it go to reach a depth of 3421? See the question and understand, try to understand. A drill machine drill here, but he has to reach this many. Some meters are left still. So to find the left, we have to subtract. Always we have to subtract smaller number from the greater number. So this is the greater and this is smaller. So see the question here, solution. We are going to subtract. A drill machine drilled up 1732 meter. A machine has to be drilled a depth of 3421. So remaining depth we have to find. So 3421 minus 1732. We cannot minus 2 from 1, so we have borrowed from this 2. So 11 minus 2 is 9, 11 minus 3 again is 8. Okay, here will be 13 because from here it is taken. Okay, 13 minus 7 gives you 6 and 2 minus 1 gives you 1. So 1689 meter you have to drill more. On one particular day, a shopkeeper received 5,928 and gave out 5,021. How much money he left with him at the end of the day? He received that much money and he has given 5,021. So we have to find the money in between, which is left. When the word left is written in the question, it means you have to subtract to find the difference. See, he gave, the shopkeeper received money on one day is 5,928 and he gave out money 5,021. So money left with him 5,928 minus 5,021. 8 minus gives minus 1 gives you 7, 2 minus 2 is 0, 9 minus 0 gives you 9 and 5 minus 5 is 0. So not written. So 907 rupees left with him. Now we are going to read the question number 3, that is C. Mr. Khan has 9,231 in his bank account. He withdrew an amount which left with 2,552 in his account. Mr. Khan is having this much money in his account, and he now after withdrew the money, he has 2,552 rupees in his account. So how much money he has withdrew? So we have to subtract this small digit from this greater number so that we can get the money which he withdraw from the bank. So see, Mr. Khan has money in his account is 9,231. Money left with his account is 2,552. Money withdrew by him. So 9,231 minus 2,552. We cannot subtract 2 from 1, so we borrowed from 3. So here will be 2. 11 minus 2 is 9. Then we cannot subtract 5 from 2, so we have taken again from this 2. So it will become 12. 12 minus 5 is 7. Then again we have taken 1 from here. 11 minus 5 is 6 and 8 minus 2 gives you 6. So 6,679 rupees he has withdrew from his bank account. Okay. See the next question. Suresh deposited in the bank rupees 3,037 on Monday, 898 on Tuesday, 5,986 on Wednesday. He withdrew 4,879 on Thursday. What is the balance in his account after withdrawal? So first we have to add these 3 days money, then subtracting this money, then only we will get the money left in his bank. See the question. Money deposited by Suresh on Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. These three amount I have written. When we will add, it will give you 9,921 rupees. Okay. Then this is the total money, and he has withdrew 4,879 from this money. So we have to subtract 4,879 from 9,921. See here, money left with Suresh is we just going to subtract this money. So we cannot subtract 9 from 1, so borrowed from here. 11 minus 9 gives you 2, sorry. And here is 1, again we will take 11 minus 7 gives you 4, and 8 minus 8 gives you 0. 9 minus 4 is 5. So 5,042 is the remaining money. Now see the next question. Last question. There are 8,000 students studying in a university. 4,199 are boys. Definitely remaining are girls. So we have to subtract again 4,199 from 8,000. See here. Total number of students in a university is 8,000. Number of boys in a university is 4,199. Number of girls in a university we have to find. So here is 0. We cannot subtract. So first we will borrow from here to this area. Then here to here and here to here. It will be 10 and here will be 9. 10 minus 9 is 9. 9 minus 9 is gives you 9. 9 minus 1 is 8 and 7 minus 4 is 3. Okay.